Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees F and gather steak, puff pastry, onions, garlic, butter, and seasoning. Work on a lightly floured surface and slice steak thin against the grain for tenderness. Sear quickly to lock flavor, then cool before assembling with caramelized onions and a brush of egg wash. Bake until golden and let rest briefly before slicing to serve. Sear the steak on high heat for 1 to 2 minutes per side to develop a brown crust without overcooking the interior. Rest the steak 5 minutes before slicing thin against the grain so juices stay inside each piece. While steak rests, cook onions slowly in butter or oil until they're sweet and deeply caramelized for extra richness. Combine onions with garlic and seasoning to build the filling that complements the beef. Lay chilled puff pastry on a floured board and roll to even thickness that will fold over the filling without tearing. Place cooled sliced steak and caramelized onions in the center, leaving a border, then brush edges with egg wash and fold securely to seal. Score the top lightly for steam release and brush again with egg wash for a glossy finish. Bake at 425 degrees F until golden and let rest before cutting to retain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.